Good morning, students. I Misra again came here with taking a video for class 6, chapter 2, factors and multiples. In this chapter, you have already studied about the definition of factors, multiples, some defined terms, even number, odd number, prime number, co-prime number, and so on. This all be discussed in first part of the video. In this video, we will know about divisibility of the numbers. Divisibility means the rule by any number you can test that number is divisible. So now starts divisibility test. So now we will know here the divisibility test of some numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. In this video, we will discuss the divisibility from 2 to 11. So first, now start. How can you check a number is divisible by 2? That means it's the divisibility of 2. Without divide it, you have to find it is divisible by 2. After knowing this rule, you can easily identify this number is divisible by 2. Divisibility of 2 is a number is divisible by 2 if its unit place digit be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. That means at the unit place, if all of these digits, then the number is divisible by 2. Suppose you write here 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. A number is written here and you have to check is it divisible by 2? Yes. Its unit digit is 2. Its unit digit is 8. So it will be divisible by 2. Understand? Any number, I write here a number 3, 4, 6, 2, 9 and 3. It is divisible by 2. But here at the unit place, it's not on these numbers, on these digits, so it is not divisible by 2. Why it is not divisible by 2? Because its unit digit is 3. Again I write here another things here, also write here. No, you have to observe only unit place. It's not unit place, its unit place is it. Here 2, 4, 6, 3, 4, 0. Here unit place is 0. So this number is divisible by, I think students you understand this divisibility of 2. Always observe the unit place. It is the unit place. It is the unit place in this number. It is the unit place in this number. It is the unit place in this number. So always observe unit place, and if unit place be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then the number is divisible by 2. After that, we have to know the divisibility test for 3. Now we will know about divisibility of 3, and it is very important for you. Understand carefully, students. Always remember a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits of that number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. That means understand by the example. First of all, write the test of divisibility of 3. Divisibility by 3, if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. For example, write a number 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 4. Here not observe unit place. Here rule is sum of the digits. Here digits, sum of digits. Digits equal to 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4. Here all the digits are written 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 4. Sum of this number 5, 6, 11, 11, 7, 18, 18, 8, 26, 26, 3, 29, 29, 2, 31 and 31, 4, 35. You observe here 35 is not divisible by 3. 35 is not in table of 3. So this number, given number here is not divisible by 3. So the given number will not be divisible by 3. But if here write a number 2, 6, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 8. Observe sum of the digits equal to 3, 4, 6, 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 8. Here sum is 3, 4, 7, 7, 6, 13, 13 to 15 and 15, 8. 15, 8, 25. No, 23. 15, 8, 23. If here write 4 plus 4, here find the sum of it. Here sum, again sum it. Here 13, 13 to 15, 15, 8, 15 and 8, 23, 23, 4, 27. Here sum is 27. In this number sum is 27 and sum is divisible by 3. Hence the given number will be divisible by 3. Understand? Students, now you have to know the divisibility rule of 4. In previous I discussed divisibility of 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is completed. Now I discussed here divisibility of 4. First of all, know what is the divisibility of 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits means unit and tens digit collectively. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits is divisible by 4. For example, I write here 4, 3, 2, 6, 2, 0. Observe in this number, here last two digit is 2, 0 and 20 is divisible by 4. Here this number is divisible by 4. Why? Because its last two digits number is divisible by 4. Again, in another example, write 3, 4, 2, 9, 16. In this question, in this number, here last two digit is 16, that means 16, and 16 is divisible by 4, that means this number is divisible by 4. I think all the students understand this divisibility rule, and you can easily check any number that is written here. I write 4 6 2 1 3 4. Observe this number. This number, its last two digit number is 34, and you know 34 is not divisible by 4. 34 is not in the table of 4. So this number is not divisible by 4. Understand? Now we will discuss here divisibility. Here 4 is understand. Now 5. Divisibility of 5. Divisibility by 5. 5's divisibility is very simple, very easy. You observe its unit digit. If unit digit of any number is 0 or 5, that means at the place of unit digit, if it is 0 or 5, it is divisible by 5. Simple. Write down, if the unit place digit be 0 and 5, 0 or 5, 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. Example, 5 6 2 4 0. Here unit place is 0, so it is divisible by 5. Observe another question, 4 6 2 3 4 8 5. In this question, in this number, here unit digit is 5, and it is also divisible by 5. Again, right here 2 3 4 6 1. Observe the unit digit. Here unit digit is 1, so it is not divisible by 5. You have to know divisibility of 5. Again, next, divisibility of 6. You learned about divisibility of 5. Again, you have to learn about divisibility of 6. Now, divisibility of 6. Divisibility of 6, if a number is divisible by both the number 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. That means, for checking the divisibility of 6, first of all check the divisibility of that number by 2 and 3. That means, if a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, and you have already studied in previous divisibility of 2 and 3. So here I have not to discuss the divisibility of 2 and 3. So students, check a number. Here I write here number 678216. It's a number, and check, is this number is divisible by 2? Yes, its unit digit is 6, so it is divisible by 2. And again check, this number is divisible by 3. So sum these digits, 6 6 7 13 13 and 8 21 21 2 23 23 1 24 and 6. So here sum of the digits equal to 30, and 30 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Hence the given number is divisible by understand friends? Now we have to know divisibility by 7. Student, it is a very important and it is a complex, so understand carefully divisibility of 7. First of all, write the divisibility of 7. A number is divisible by 7 if the difference between twice the ones digits and the number formed by the other digits is either 0 or a multiple of 7. That means this divisibility is understand by an example. First of all, write an example 686. Observe in this example, its unit digit is 6. Unit is equal to 6 and it's twice equal to 2 into 6 equal to 12. That means, and now another after unit digit another part be 68 difference. That means now subtract 68 minus 12 equal to, here you find difference is 6, 5 and 56, and you know 56 is present in the table of 7. That means it is a multiple of 7. 56 is multiple of 7. Hence, according to this rule, this number, hence number 686 is divisible by 7. Understand? That means, first of all, do twice the unit digits. Here another number is written here. Twice of 7 is 14, and when you subtract remaining numbers so formed is differences in this question 28 and minus its twice is 14, and when you subtract it result is 14, and 14 is multiple of 7. Hence the number its number is 287 is divisible by 7. I think you understand this divisibility. So you can check this divisibility. Also its divisibility 203. You can observe when you multiply twice the unit digits 6 and difference of it is 14. That means this number is also divisible by 7. Another divisibility you have to understand, divisibility of 8. Divisibility of 8 is also like the divisibility of 4. In divisibility of 4, last 2 digits is observed. In divisibility of 8, you have to observe its last 3 digits. So its divisibility is a number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. That means in any number, if its last 3 digits is divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. Observe in this question. In this number, observe its last 3 digits. Last 3 digits is 200. And you know 200 is divisible by 8. 200 is divisible by 8. Hence the given number be divisible by 8. You observe in this number, its last 3 digit is 120, that means 120, and 120 is also divisible by 8. That means this number is divisible by 8. In this number, you observe its last 3 digits is 160, and 160 is divisible by 8. Hence, the given number, this number is divisible by 8. Students, now you have to know the divisibility of 9. Divisibility of 9 is just like divisibility of 3. Divisibility of 3 you have already understand. So now we will know about divisibility of 9. Divisibility of 9 is if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9, then the number is also divisible by 9. Understand here, divisibility of 9, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. For example, our number is written 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 2. Here, sum of the digits equal to sum of the digits 5, 6, 11, 11, 2, 13, 13, 3, 16, 16, 4, 16, 4, 20, 20 or 2 is 22. You observe here, in this number, sum is 22 and 22 is not divisible by 9. Hence, the number is not divisible by 9. But in another question, if I write a number 2, 3, 4, 2, 5, 6, 5, observe sum of digits. Sum of digits equal to 6, 5, 11, 11, 5, 16, 2, 18, 18, 4, 22, 3, 25 and 2, 27. In this number, sum is 27 and 27 is in the table of 9. That means 27 is divisible by 9. Hence, the number is divisible by 9. Understand? After that, you have to know about divisibility of 10, and it's very simple. Divisibility of 10, its unit place is 0. If the unit place is 0, then the number is divisible by 10. For example, you write 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Its unit digit is 0. 1, 9, 2, 8, 4, 6, 2, 2. Here, now this number is not divisible by 10. But if its last digit is 0, then this number is divisible by 10. I think you have understand divisibility of 9, 10 up to 10, and now we will discuss here again divisibility of 11. Divisibility of 11 is very important and very important for your examination. So students, you try to understand and carefully understand divisibility of 11. Divisibility of 11. Divisibility of 11, if the difference of the sum of odd place digits and even place digits is either 0 or multiple of 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Understand this divisibility by an example. Suppose I write a number 250382. Here a number is written, and how will you identify is this number divisible by 11? Odd place and even place means here you start counting 1 2 3 4 5 6. You know 1 is odd number, so it's give a symbol here 1 1, third place, first place, 1 place, third place, and these are fifth place. After that, so all these are odd place. Here this number, this digit at the place of 2, second place. So this place, and this place. It means alternate 8, 0 and 2, even place. Digits. Here find the sum. Sum of odd place digits is equal to, here odd place digits 2, 3, 5. 2 plus 3 plus 5. 2 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 10. Now sum of even place digits is equal to, even place digits 8, 0 and 2. 8 plus 0 plus 2 is equal to 10. After that, do difference. Here difference between odd place digits and even odd place, difference between the sum of odd place and even place digits be 10 minus 10 and equal to 0. Here difference is 0. In the rule is given, if the difference of, which difference? That means difference of odd place and even place digit. Difference of the sum of odd place digits and even place digits is either 0. Here difference is 0. Hence the number is divisible by 11. Now in another example you can find if finally the difference be 11, 22, then also the number is divisible by 11. After that you have to try solve your exercise 2b, in which all the questions is related to divisibility. So students, you have to try solve all the questions in your notebook, and if you completely watch the video, like this video and subscribe our channel for your latest notification. Thanks. That's all.